name is Charles Atelu, Capacity Building Manager with over 10 years experience in health informatics content development, working for Kenya HMIS2 project. In this video, I'm going to take you through ART Fast Track using the EMR. To begin with, you have to log in the EMR using your login credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the facility dashboard, which has got summaries to care and treatment, HTS, appointments, and differentiated care. This is further extrapolated in diagrams. But for activity, in this video, we are going to walk through Fast Track. From the registration app, I will click to find a patient. Under the tasks panel, click find or create patient. So our patient for this demo is capacity building. Once you type the first T characters, the system allows you to search either using a patient unique ID or name. The first 3 characters has already itemized our patient. Our patient is training capacity building training. Remember, while on the patient homepage, the first step is to check in the patient for the visit. Dialog box will appear. Click submit. And on the patient homepage, the available forms will populate. Kindly note that the ART Fast Track form will only be visible for patients who are stable, who during their last encounter, Fast Track was selected as their differentiated care model with longer appointment dates. If a patient is unstable, then the ART Fast Track form wouldn't appear. So therefore, these are patients who do not need to be seen by a clinician. They are just seen and sent directly to pick their drugs from pharmacy. So to complete the ART Fast Track form, click on ART Fast Track, visit form. ART Fast Track page will appear. The date, location and provider is pre-populated during check-in. The first panel on ART Fast Track for stable patient, a drop-down menu on ART refill mode. On clicking the drop-down menu, there are options available. Click on Fast Track because our patient is on Fast Track. The current regimen is already pre-populated. Treatment supporter information available plus the contact. If there are any other medications that are prescribed during this visit, then it's captured under the drug column. Specify the dosing, the units, and the frequency from the drop-down menu. Duration, if days, months, then select the duration units. So if the patient is not being given any other medication, then just leave that panel blank. Other supplies, if the patient is taking cotrimoxazole, select the checkbox written CTX. Indicate the number of units in the field column written units, the duration, and select the drop-down menu on the duration of units, giving 3 months. If the oral contraceptives that were given, this is a male patient, then that is not applicable for us. Condom distributed, select the radio button, yes or no. Missed ARV doses, if the patient reports having missed any dose of ARV since the last clinic visit, select yes and specify how many doses were missed. If not, select no and proceed to the next panel on any current worsening symptom. If there is any worsening symptom, select yes on the radio button for the specific symptom. If no, select the radio button no for all the listed symptoms. Keep in mind you also have additional symptoms on the right of the panel. If there is any other symptom other than the one that is listed on the panel, check the checkbox written other and type down the symptom on the adjacent text field. We will uncheck it because the patient did not report any other. Medication prescribed elsewhere. If there is any medication prescribed outside of the HIV clinic, select the radio button yes and specify the medication that was prescribed, indicating the drug name, the dose, units, frequency from the drop-down menu, duration of the units from the drop-down menu, and the date it was dispensed from a calendar menu. And if the patient reports no new medication was prescribed outside of the HIV clinic, then select the option no, and the options will be obliterated. The last panel there is on the referral. If the patient was referred to the clinic, select the yes radio button. If the patient was not referred to a clinic, select no. Then, the last field on the ART fast track form is the return visit date. Select the return date from the calendar pickup menu, key in the dates, and on completing the form, counter check that all the fields have been updated and filled. Then click on the enter button to submit the form. After you submit the form will appear under completed visit form, specifying who entered the form, the date and the timing. So on clicking view visit summary, you will clearly see the current visit that is still active until you check out the patient. So basically all the visit details done are outlined there, and it's actually saying that this visit is still ongoing. So click close to close the visit summary, and the last step is to check out the patient. Click on check out the patient from visit. Once the dialog pop-up appears, click the button submit and close the patient record. This marks the end of the patient ART fast track encounter. To get back to finding and creating a patient, click on find, create a patient, search and pick for your next patient. Thank you.